Welcome. In front of me is a OnePlus Nord CE for Lite, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, with that being said, doing such a reset can be done in order to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. And obviously also to just simply get rid of all the data. Now, I'm gonna begin this process from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern that I have set. And the first thing you want to do is hold your power button and volume up and then swipe down to turn off your phone. When the device turns off, which is indicated by the vibration, there we go. I can then hold power button and volume down at the same time. In a moment, you will see the OnePlus logo on the screen, at which point you can let go of the power button but keep holding volume down. From here, choose your language and then select Format Data. This will generate a random code for digit 1, which for me is 6379. Now for you, this code will be completely different. Just type in whatever it says for you. And obviously this is irrelevant in comparison to the screen lock, as I had a pattern and this is just some kind of random 4-digit pin that is being shown to you right here. Once you type it in, it will bring up a window saying Format Data. All user data will be reset. I'm going to select Format. This will now begin quickly formatting the device, and once it's finished, it gives you the pop-up, Data Formatted, click on OK, and this will now automatically reboot the device and continue the process in the background. And this will take about a minute to finish up, so I'll be back once it's finished for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.